Hello everyone, so I've made it my mission to show you some of the more practical use cases of generative AI. This one, for example, is utilizing hotkeys and OpenAI's API to be able to work across any application, but being able to apply generative AI to it. So, for example, you'll be able to see in this document that you can see that this text is spelt wrong. I'm dyslexic, this is not an uncommon occurrence for me. So normally I might go and take that text, put it into OpenAI, go, can you do a grammar and spelling check on this piece of text? Well, now we've made it so the process is really short, and I can do that by simply highlighting the text that I want, utilizing a shortcut key, and it's applying the OpenAI generative AI to being able to help with the spelling of that sentence. And the good thing about generative AI in comparison to a normal spell check is it's not just looking at the word, but it's also looking at the context. Now, that's a really straightforward one. Let's go into a thread. Maybe I've got a thread here that might be a little bit intentionally wordy. So I'm going to go into our thread here. And what I want to be able to do is simplify this text so it's a little bit more accessible than it is at the moment. So with a shortcut, I can go here. I'm going to simplify the language. And we've made our thread a lot more accessible. And you can also use this to do shortcuts for things that you have to do regular replies on. So I'm going to take this. This could be an email that someone sent me and I want to be able to write a reply to it. So I'm going to highlight the text. I'm going to go into our menu. I'm going to display the response in a different window, and I'm going to say, hey, I want you to be able to write an appointment reply to this email. And you can see that we have the information on that reply, taking the context that was provided for us in the email and adding my calendar link so I can just copy and paste that into the email that I want to be able to send. I hope you found this interesting. It took a few hours to be able to get it working, but it's definitely one of those really practical use cases where the unintended consequences are very minimal and the impact can be huge, particularly for those with accessibility challenges or who need support with writing assistance. If this is the kind of thing that you're interested in and you want to be able to do it for yourself, then I am launching the Metropolitan Academy at the beginning of next year. The whole purpose of this will be to be able to teach people practical skills as well as providing sessions for high level overview to make sure that you can implement AI and generative AI ethically and transparently with accountability. So if this is of interest to you, then sign up to the waitlist by going to metropolitan.xyz and saying join the waitlist. We look forward to you joining us next year.